Hello dear student, today's video is going to be very important because in this tutorial I will tell you extremely new things. That new thing is that how you can add your own sprite, how you can add your own voice in the sprite, as well as how you can add the own background, means how you can search the own background by your own. So if you search any video on this topic, you will not get it easily. Okay, so that is the new thing in the today's tutorial. So here I am going to show you how you can add your customized background, own sprite, as well as how you can attach your own voice to your respective sprite. So first we will see how you can add the background to your project. So here there is a upload option. So when you click on this upload, you have to upload that image from your device, but before that you have to download or you have to create. So what happen, you have to just open your Chrome or Internet Explorer, and there whichever image that you want, you have to search it by name. Suppose I want forest background, so I just search it out, and you will be getting many images. So here there is a all option. In all option you will be getting limited images, so always you select the image option from your Chrome. And suppose there are many images here, whichever that you would like, that you can select it according to your comfortness. So this is the image, and this image I want to save in device. So just right click and save image as. So here if you want, you have to create folder in your device. I have already created, name is sprite for project, and here I am saving this file. It is suppose I am writing name forest, and then save. So in this way you can add the background. And next is I tell you how you can add the sprite. For adding sprite you have to write the name. Suppose I want dog, so you write dog in clip art. Okay, if you write only dog, then you will get the background. So in dog in clip art, you have to search in image option, you are getting many dog. So particularly you have to upload that image there, it doesn't have the background, that is known as sprite. So if you type dog in clip art, you will be getting images without background. So there are some images are there. Suppose this image I am clicking, or here this image is also okay. So I have already actually downloaded some images, so whichever the image that you prefer, that you can upload it in your device. So here the many images are there. This image I feel better, so now I am downloading. Just click on save image as. So here I am writing dog 1 and save. Same you do for cat. So in cat also many images are there. Suppose I am selecting this cat, and here it doesn't have the background. These small rectangles are coming, means it doesn't have the background. Click on save image as. Here I am writing cat 1. So finally I save the images. Now I minimize this and going into the software part. So now here, after downloading images from net, I show you how you can upload. First we will upload the background. So select this upload option, and here I have done some background. So I'm uploading this forest one. So just double click and it is uploading, and you see it is a little bit small images there. So you can increase the size or decrease the size of that background. How you will do? Just I know this is my project, there all the image I save. So this forest, right click and go open with the paint. You are already aware about the paint, so just open in paint. You see this image size is small, so resize option do. In that resize you select the pixel option. In place of 224, suppose I am doing 500. Okay, so in this way you can resize the size. Now you see the size is increased, so you have to save this. Now I close. Again I am going into the software. So again you have to upload the image. So now you see the size is little bit increased. So in this way, if you want, again you can modify, because this one is not sufficient. So again I open in Paint, resize option, forest. Now I write suppose 1000. So it is little bit blur, but it's okay, at least you should know how to do it. So now again I am uploading. Now you see the images increase. I am having one more image in my computer, in my device, so that I will try. This is the one more image, and that is looking quite better. So in this way you can change the size also according to you. Now I am going into the code section, and here first I add the sprite. So here again I am going into the upload section. I have already downloaded some sprite. So I select this cat first. This is the cat and it is too large, so you can reduce the size. I am writing here 30. So this is my cat. You select the position. If you want to change direction, that also you can do like this. And now I am adding second sprite. So again click on upload option. The second sprite will be dog. Again you have to reduce the size. So it is too small. I think 35 is better. 33. It's okay. But their direction is not proper. So what happened? As I told you, you have to go in costume. And here it's a flip direction is there. So now it's okay. And here you can move like that. So now it's perfect. So here I am placing dog and here I am placing the cat. Okay. Now what happen? They will create the voice. Suppose now we are adding the own voice. So first we will write the sample code. I am going into the cat section. So in the cat section, first thing is that you have to add the flag event. Means whenever the flag is clicked, it will show the action. And here we add sound. So in the sound section, there is a start sound. So that we will add. Same coding we will do in the doc section. First we add the flag, then we add the sound. Done it. Now here we want a customized sound. So straight away you can add sound from here also. Sound icon is there and you can upload the file. If suppose you have already sound in your device, you can upload it. You can download from Internet Explorer, save in your device and then upload. But I don't want this, it is time consuming. So we will go in the record section. So this coding is for cat. Okay, once you click on record, then here you have to click on this record button. Select the here record option and then you have to create the sound. Meow, meow. So here I have done with that. So now stop recording. Then you can trim it also and you have to listen it. Meow. So here I have done with. You can cut it. Then you have to save. From here also you can listen and give the name. And then I'm going into the code section. Here cat1 name is there, so that I have uploaded. Now going into the doc section, do the same thing, click on record, select record. Whoa, 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 whoa. Then here you have to cut it out. Then play one time. Whoa, 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 whoa. Save it. You can play it from here. Then and going into the code section, upload that file. So finally we have done it. Now you can check the voice. Okay, and I'm going into this cat section, checking voice. Now I want to play this entire project. So suppose if I click here, so in this way your project is working very fine. So what we have done, we have added our own customized background, own sprite, and we have put their uh, voice according to us. So in this way you can do it very innovative way. And I hope, dear student, you enjoyed this project. Thanks for watching this. Thank you.